Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on working the half double crochet two together. I'll be showing you two different ways to work this stitch. Be sure to check the description below for a link to my patterns. First, I'll show you the traditional method, which is a bit bulkier in my opinion. Then I'll show you the alternate method, in which I've eliminated a yarn over. Visually, they look the same and can be easily interchanged. So let's get to it. This is the traditional half double crochet two together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Now for the alternate half double crochet two together, in which I've eliminated a yarn over. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. And that's all there is to the half double crochet two together. One method has 5 loops and the other only 4 loops. Comment below which method you like best. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. If you have a video request, send me an email and subscribe to my blog at twistmystitch.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.